G'day everyone, this is my Ant class BattleBot. It's the first one I've built. I haven't used any titanium and carbon fibre and all the other things that you see a lot of the other robots use. This one's meant more for in the classroom. The weapon at the front here, you can see we've got a couple of Dremel drill bits on a 130 motor. We've got a standard receiver here. These white things are actually the circuit, the motor controller from a 9-gram servo. I've basically taken them out of the servo and used them to control these motors. Up here we have a voltage booster. So our 4.2 volt lithium-ion battery is boosted up to 6.5 volts, which is the limit for these is 7 volts. So keep a bit under the limit. I did a test before. The weight came in 145 grams, but the biggest problem is I've got all the weight, basically half of the weight up front. The battery and the motor and the Dremel bits there, there's so much weight at the front that the wheels here at the back cannot get a grip on the ground. Well, they grip, but they spin, right? So they're spinning the wheels and it's not getting up to speed. The idea is that it's meant to be able to spin around like this and sideways stab the enemy combatant. So this was the first attempt. I got my weight right after a couple of days, but now I've got to get the weight balance right.